Hello, friends. Today I will tell you a story in simple English. This story is called Nothing is Free. It is about a young man with big dreams and a brave heart. His name is Tom. Tom is 21 years old. He lives in a small town with his family. His town is quiet. There are trees, small houses, and one old market. Life there is peaceful but not easy. Tom lives in a small house with his parents and his younger brother Ben. His father is a driver. He drives people to work in the city. His mother works in a small store. She sells milk, eggs, and bread. Ben is only 9. He goes to school and loves to draw pictures. Tom wants to change his life. He has a dream. He wants to open a coffee shop, a place with good coffee, music, and happy people. He wants to be his own boss. He wants to make something special. But Tom has a big problem. He has no money. His family has just enough to buy food and pay rent. There is no extra money. Tom knows this. Still, he keeps dreaming. One cold night, Tom sits outside his house. The sky is full of stars. The air is cold. He wears an old jacket. He looks up and says, "I want a better life, but how can I start? What should I do?" He remembers something his father once said. It was a simple sentence. If you want something, you must work for it. Nothing is free. These words stay in Tom's heart. He does not forget them. He thinks, can I do something now? Can I start small? He looks at the old cart near the fence. It is broken, but maybe he can fix it. He has an idea. He goes inside. His mom is making hot tea. She asks, "Where did you go, Tom?" He says, "I was outside. I want to talk." They sit at the table. Tom says, "I want to open a coffee shop. I know we don't have money, but maybe I can sell coffee in the park. What do you think?" His mother looks at him. She smiles and says, "You are a good boy, Tom. If you believe in yourself, you should try." Tom feels warm inside. He is scared but also excited. He does not know what will happen next, but he wants to try. He looks at his little brother and says, "Ben, do you want to help me?" Ben nods. "Yes, I can help you clean the cart." That night, Tom cannot sleep. He makes a plan in his notebook. He writes, "What do I need? Coffee, cups, hot water, a cart, a smile." He also writes questions. Where can I get coffee? Who can I ask for help? How many people drink coffee in the park? The next morning, Tom wakes up early. He says to himself, "Let's begin. Let's make a new start." Tom does not wait. He takes the broken cart and starts cleaning it. He works for hours. He uses soap, water, and an old brush. His hands are cold, but his heart is warm. A neighbor walks by and says, "What are you doing, Tom?" Tom smiles and says, "I am fixing my future." This is how his journey begins. One dream, one plan, one cold night, and the belief that nothing is free but everything is possible with effort. The next morning, Tom wakes up early. He eats a quick breakfast and walks into town. He watches the people. Some go to work, some drink coffee at the bus stop. He sees something important. Many people hold coffee cups. But there is no small coffee stand near the park. The big cafe is far away. Tom says to himself, I can sell coffee here. But he has a big problem. He has no coffee, no cups, and no money. What can he do? Tom doesn't stop. He remembers a small cafe near the train station. He walks there and meets the owner. Her name is Mrs. Green. She is about 50 years old. She stands behind the counter reading a book. Tom takes a deep breath and says, Hello. My name is Tom. I want to sell your coffee in the park. Can I take it and pay you after I sell it? Mrs. Green looks at him. She does not speak for a moment. Then she says, Why should I trust you? Do you have experience? Tom says, No, I don't, but I work hard. I wake up early. I help my family. I just need one chance. Mrs. Green looks into his eyes. She says, One chance. If you don't bring the money back, do not come again. Tom says, Thank you. I will not let you down. That evening, Tom tells his mother and brother the news. I will start selling coffee tomorrow, he says. They smile and wish him good luck. The next day, Tom wakes up at 5 a.m. He goes to Mrs. Green's cafe and gets a container of hot coffee, some cups and napkins. He carries everything to the park with an old box. At 7:00 a.m., people begin to walk by. Tom stands near the path and says, Hot coffee, try a free sample. But many people just walk past him. He does not give up. He says hello to each person. He smiles. He gives out small cups of coffee for free. One man stops. This is good, he says. How much is a cup? Tom says $1. The man buys one. Then a woman stops. Then two students. Slowly, Tom starts to sell. At noon, he looks into his box. There are only 3 cups left. He says, I did it. At the end of the day, Tom returns to Mrs. Green's cafe. He gives her the money. She counts it and nods. You did well. Come back tomorrow. Tom walks home. His legs hurt, but he feels proud. His brother runs to him and says, How many cups did you sell? Tom says, Almost all of them. His mother gives him tea and says, You did a good job today. That night, Tom writes in his notebook. He writes day 1. I sold 22 cups. I can do this. Let's keep going. This was just the beginning, but it was the step that started it all. Tom works hard every day. He wakes up early. He sets up his cart before the sun rises. There is wind. There is rain. Sometimes it is cold, but Tom is always there. He says, Good morning, with a big smile. He learns how to speak to people. He listens. He asks, What do you like? And how can I make it better? People enjoy talking to him. They like his warm heart and his good coffee. After 2 months, Tom saves enough money to buy a small cart. It has wheels and a little roof. He paints it red and white. It looks nice. More people come to buy coffee. One morning, a man says, "You should learn to make your own coffee." Tom thinks about this all day. Should I try? What if I fail? He wonders. At night, he talks to his mother. She says, "You can learn. You are smart and strong." Tom goes to Mrs. Green again. He says, "Can you teach me how to make coffee?" She looks at him. "Making coffee is not easy. It takes time. Are you sure?" Tom nods. "Yes, I want to learn." The next day, Tom wakes up at 4:00 a.m. He goes to Mrs. Green's cafe. She shows him how to grind beans, boil water, and pour the coffee. Tom watches, he tries, he makes mistakes. Sometimes the coffee is too cold, sometimes it is too hot, but he learns. One day his coffee is just right. Mrs. Green drinks it and says, "This is good." Tom feels proud. Now he makes his own coffee every morning. He wakes up early. He works with love. His mother helps. His brother gives out napkins. His family works like a team, but not everything is easy. A big new coffee shop opens nearby. The shop has music, lights, and big signs. Many people go there. Tom's sales go down. He feels sad. He asks, "What do people like there?" People say, "It looks clean. It has nice music. The cups are pretty." Tom does not cry. He makes a plan. He cleans his cart. He adds flowers. He plays soft music. He learns how to draw a heart on the coffee. He says, "Let's make people smile." Day by day, people return. They say, "Tom, your coffee is special. Your smile is real." Months pass. Tom saves more money. One day he opens a small shop. It is not big, but it is warm and bright. He calls it Tom's Coffee Corner. People come, they drink coffee, they talk, they smile. Tom's dream is real now, but one night there is a big storm. Water comes into the shop. The floor is wet. The chairs are broken. Tom stands in the middle of the shop and says, "What should I do now?" He does not give up. He calls his friends. He calls his family. They come, they help, they clean, they fix. In 2 weeks, the shop is open again. On the wall, Tom writes, "Nothing is free, but everything is possible." And now I ask you, what is your dream? Will you work for it? Will you take the first step? Remember, fall down, stand up. Make mistakes, learn. Work hard, grow strong, because nothing is free, but you can make it possible.